Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Ni piang sungbai piboro shakanika channel kejongi but hakanika video ke bom tasngi ngin pe ikiniki kam leniki post ki barang sulai thamai po Meghalaya. Yakiniki post la apply daka District Rural Development Agency lene DRDA West Khasi Hills mentau benai arajar arpuai. Ki keteng jong kiniki post ki longgomne Planning and Training Manager, Training Assistant, Program Assistant, but Accountant lane DEO, Data Entry Operator. Kelas dia lane ka tarik bakhat do bapilak ban submit jiki application ki jongpi kadai hau khatnyau tarik benai August arhajar arpuai. Ki details jong kini ki post ki longgomne. Ya ka Planning and Training Manager ka balai kawai ka jaka jong ka posting kadai ha DRDA West Khasi Hills District Nongston. But ka salary lane ka tulap kadai laipo wajar hak si benai. Ya ka kam training assistant pat ka balai kawai ka post ka jaka jong ka posting ka deha DRDA West Khasi Hills District Nongston. But ka salary lene ka tulap ka de apo jar hak si benai. Ya ka kam program assistant ka balai South Ligi post ka jaka jong ka posting ka deha block but ka salary lene ka tulap ka de arpusan hajar hak si benai. But khadu ya ka post accountant lene data entry operator balai South Ligi post ka jaka jong ka posting ka dai ha blog but ka salary lene ko tulop ka dai arpo hajar hak si benai. Mentang in pe no iki educational qualifications lene ki jingdon kam ban pendap haki jingpule shoba pin apply kini ki post. Ya ka post ko baning kong ka Planning and Training Manager pia ban pendap ya ka postgraduate degree jong pi haka social work lene sociology lene economics lene agricultural economics lene rural development lene kiwi fields kibaya hap pidi ru bandon minimum lai hado sansnam experience haka rural development lene kiwi ki field kibaya hap at ki qualifications yaka post training assistant piaban pendap yaka graduation ke jongpi haka social work lene sociology lene economics lene rural development lene agricultural economics lene kiwi ki fields kibaya hap but pidi ru bandon shisnam hado arsnam experience haka rural development lene kiwi fields be habat qualification but pidi ru bandon ka experience mentrai baka community ya ka post program assistant phaban pendap ya ka post graduation ke jongpi haka social work lene sociology lene economics lene agricultural economics lene rural development lene kiwi fields be hab but pidi ru bandon experience arts nam hado laisnam haka rural development lene kiwi ki fields ki beha but pidi ru ban try baka community but khado ya ka post accountant lene data entry operator phaban pendap ya ka graduation jongpi haka commerce lene business administration ya kani ka post ru pidon kam minimum arsnam hado laisnam experience ka age limit lene ka kerta ka baredo ka de khat prasnam bat ka bahedo ka de arphanyosnam bat kandan ka relaxation hado sansnam ya ki schedule tribe bat ki schedule caste ya kitu ki bakwa ban apply kini ki post phaban pendap ya ka standard application form bat phaban submit lang bat ki photocopies jongki documents ki ba phila self attesti bat phaban submit lene phaban pha shakni ka office jongka project director kabadan ha West Khasi Hills District Nongston Meghalaya shwa lene haka khatnyau tarik benai August arajar phuai hadu san baje janmet ka official notification ka bala apply hi daga ka DRDA West Khasi Hills ngalai po description jong ne ko video tes ngobha download ya ka official notification bat police ya ka shoba pin apply kini ki post